channel. I am naturally Curlysa, and today I'm going to be doing an updated deep conditioning routine that I always do. So before I get started, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. Have a lot more content on there. For my deep conditioner today, I am going to be using Annabelle's Blueberry Cheesecake Deep Conditioner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the deep conditioner in my hair. And then after I put it in my hair, I'm going to steam my hair. And then after I steam my hair, I'm going to cover my hair with a grocery bag because I never got time for no plastic caps. And I'm going to put my bonnet dryer on just to let the deep conditioner penetrate into my hair shaft a little bit better. If I already sectioned my hair off, I'm going to take some of this deep conditioner and put it on my hair. And if you didn't see my pre-poo video before this, I'll link that below. So my hair is pretty detangled, which I'm excited about. Okay, so that is the deep conditioner in. All right, so I have the deep conditioner all in my hair, and my hair is detangled. It already was detangled, but you know. So now I'm going to take each strand section by section, or each twist section by section, and I'm going to steam my hair with my handheld clothes steamer. All right, so this is what my hair looks like, completely steamed with my steamer. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cover my hair with a grocery bag, and I'm going to penetrate this deeper into my hair by putting on my bonnet dryer. So, all right, so I'm gonna take my Martian hat. All right, so this is my hair with all of the product washed out, and my hair feels super moisturized. And me deep conditioning my hair like this is a lot better than the way that I was doing it because it keeps the moisture in my hair. And now I'm ready to style, so that will be in a separate video because y'all can't get everything in this one. But do y'all steam when y'all do your hair? You know, how is your deep conditioning routine? Let me know below. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.